Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can recover your Gmail account. So you've lost your password to the Gmail account and you can't access the Gmail account, and you want to check your emails and other important things that are pending, and you can't figure out how you can recover the account. You have clicked on the right video. In today's video, that is exactly what we are going to do. I'll show you exactly how you can recover your account in simple steps. So follow the steps, watch the video till the end, and you'll be able to successfully recover your Gmail account. So first thing you want to do is open your browser and go to gmail.com. So once you go to gmail.com, you land on the sign in interface. Here you need to enter your email address that you want to recover. So type in the email address. Once you type in the email address, tap on the next button on the bottom left corner. Once you tap on the next button, Gmail will ask you to enter your password. But here's the problem, you don't remember your password, so tap on the forgot password button. Once you tap on the forgot password option, Google's account recovery is initiated. Now there are many ways to recover your account. So if you have access to that account through your mobile phone, check your mobile phone. Google has sent you a link. Now if you don't have access to that Gmail account from any other device, scroll down and tap on the try another way option. Once you do that, Google will send a code to your recovery email that you linked with this account. If you have the access to the recovery account, enter the code that Google sent you and tap on the next button. But if you don't have the access to that code, tap on try another way option. Now what Google will do is ask you if you have the access to the phone number that you entered while you created that account. So if you have the access to the phone number, get a verification code through text or call. Choose any of this option. I'll choose text. Now Google will send a code to your mobile phone. Enter that code. So once you enter the code sent by Google on your phone number, tap on the next button. Once you tap on the next button, you'll land on an interface like this. Here you can create a new password for your account and access your account. So do that, create a new password for your account. Once you create and confirm your new password, tap on the save password button. Once you create and confirm a new password, Google will send you to their security checkup page. Here confirm all the other details related to your account. Once you have done that, scroll down and tap on the continue to Gmail option. There you go, you have successfully recovered your Gmail account. Now go through your emails and do all your important works that you're pending to do. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this was a helpful video. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.